Good morning.
Welcome. We're doing habits that we saw. We're doing activities for domain. Then we also have this map here to navigate where you want to go.
Thank you. What are you doing over here? Face paint? Which area does face paint cover? Is it the body, the heart, the mind, or the soul? Well, you're laughing right now, so that compliments your wife. Your personality, the heart. Exactly. Got it.
Your my body shaking, 'cause this groove is rocking. Makes you wanna go.
Lotería, show me your lotería part.
Makes you wanna go. Na 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 na.
And what do you do in here?
We can make any pipes, like any
Designs?
yeah.
What have you created so far?
Bouquets, turtles, yeah,
crabs,
beach stuff, crocodiles.
What domain does pipe cleaners cover for sharpening the saw?
It was what was it specific about? Oh, it was mine.
It was the mind. Well, how does it help stimulate your mind?
Because it would calm me down and thought it was creative.
When it feels this good.
Is it coloring boost? What domain does coloring boost do for you? The spirit. Yeah, it sharpens the spirit. Makes you feel happy. Makes you feel joy. Makes you feel calm. This is so beautiful. Look at this artistic stuff over here. Wow, I love it.
Na na.
Oh, reading for pleasure. You guys have illustrations, books? Oh, you're reading that the pigeon book, right? Don't let the pigeon stay up late. Oh, nice. I love that book. I Spy? Oh, I love that. And what domain does it stimulate? Is it the mind, the body, the heart, or the soul?
It is definitely the mind.
The mind. Well done.
My ethnicity race is Mexican American, and my language is English. My family, mom, 2 sisters, and aunt. And these are like my favorites and stuff. I really like my About Me page because it like you could like, watch them. People can come up to this for us, and they can learn a lot about you.
Had to fix my life.
Who's winning, Christopher? Oh, it's practice round. Okay. Oh, I see. Christopher, what are you doing?
It's the light in the beginning. I swear now it feels like there's no limit.
Tabletop games. What games are you guys playing?
Operation, Jenga, Monopoly, Animal Crossing,
You can watch me climbing.
Crocheting, okay? How's it going with the crocheting?
like resales.
That's awesome. And what domain is crocheting? How does it help the mind?
A lot of luck, got a lot of skills. Stay chill, work a little hard. So I'm winning all the time. Ain't nobody really press around me. 'Cause my
And what does dance cover? What domain?
Heart, mind, and soul,
How so?
and body.
How so?
Soul because when you dance, you put your soul and spirit into what you feel.
And body?
Body, you're moving around and exercising to yourself.
How about the mind?
Mind, you gotta strategize on what's gonna be your next move with your partner. The heart is so you can feel the feelings you're feeling while dancing. You can combine it together and bring the dance to life.
And this is how to dance. What dance moves are we learning here?
So there's one called Sway With Me, the box dance, and the strawberry.
Can you show me an example of Sway With Me? And what domain does it cover? Is it the mind, the body, the soul, or the heart?
The body.
Why?
Because Soccer is for your body.
But why does it cover the body?
What? What'd you say?
Like, how does it cover the body?
What? Cover body.
That's soccer.
Soccer? Oh.
How does that help your body?
Oh, it helps you stay fit.
It helps you stay fit. Okay, thank you, Omar. Tug of war. Can you guys show me how you play tug of war? Adriel, tug of war. What does it cover? What domain is it? The mind, the body, the heart, or the soul? The body. How so?
You're like,
You're showing your strength, right? How does it help the mind? You have to have a strategy to win, right? Okay. Well, it looks like Adriel's team is winning, and they won. How does it work?
So it's like Duck Duck Goose. They all go in a circle, and then we have the sponge and drip, drip, and then we splash them with water.
And what domain of Sharpen the Saw does it cover?
It's body,
How is it body?
because you're like running around and exercising your body.
So what does that mean? Tell me in English.
picking up trash.
You're picking up trash? Why? How do you help the school this way?
Keeping it clean.
Yeah, to keep the school clean. Right on. Okay. Thank you for helping out the school and keeping it clean. I haven't seen any trash around, so you're doing a really great job.
Nunca se olvida de lo real. Un corazón como el tuyo está next to you.
MC and DJ. So what are you doing for your activity booth today? And what domain does karaoke, MC, and DJ cover? Is it the heart, the mind, the body, or the soul? The heart. How so? You're doing what you like and you're making people feel happy. Absolutely. The snack bar. Tell me how the snack bar works. Everything's $1? $2. And why are we raising $2? SeaWorld. When do you have SeaWorld? In May. Okay, so it's 2 for SeaWorld. Okay.